stop. I want you all on the same table. Find his table. You've got the table. I need you to be on that table. There it is. Shh. Freeze. Voices. Tables. Table. You need to get to this table. Show him how to get here. Go. You've got the table. Nice. All right. Here. And where eyes are on Mr. Van Dyke. Now, here's my rule. Let me see your eyes. Need to see the eyes. Eyes. Dan. That's freaky. Okay. Do not. You can put your hands down. Please don't touch the mouse or the keyboard. Thank you. And as long as I see your eyes, thank you, I'll keep talking. There's a pattern. Now, there's a very confusing pattern, and then there's a not so confusing pattern. What is the pattern of the number of sides? So we're looking at this red column right here. What is the pattern? What's happening to the number of sides as we keep moving down the list?
It increases by 1.
So we increase the number of sides by 1. That's the pattern. Beautiful.
Oh, that was
Now, no, it's kidding. Here's the complicated one. Believe it or not, there is a rule. But when you get down here into 128.57,
etc.
that rule gets a little hard. However, if you understand this column, let me find my almighty colorful green. Oh, there we go. If you understand this column and this column, when you get to 7th and 8th grade or high school, this column will eventually make sense. For what we're doing, we don't need that column. But I do need you to tell you there is a pattern. What do we call a pattern? We need a better rule. I just gave you the word.
Pattern.
We need a rule. We need a rule. So instead of calling it a pattern, for computer science, we're going to call it a rule. Guess what a rule does?
It rules everybody.
For the computer it does. Yeah. You have to follow it. What did we say about what we had to do with these points for the computer? What did we say about the Mr. Van Dyke object having to give me a face? What do we call that? It's a D word.
Defining.
Define. Who said that? Shout it out. Defining. Okay. A rule defines something for the computer.
Yeah.
Okay? A rule defines a pattern, in this case. So we went over all of the rules for a regular polygon. Has to be a closed figure. Has to be made up of straight line segments. It has to be made up many, 3 or more. For it to be a regular polygon, the line segments that make up the sides of the polygon have to be equal in length. Therefore, the interior angles are also equal in length. One little exception, our right triangle, we just showed that as a visual. We learned that a circle